Business process reengineering is a management approach that aims to fundamentally rethink and redesign the business processes within an organization to achieve significant improvements in the performance of the organization, as well as to increase the efficiency within an organization, as well as for the customer satisfaction, to increase the customer satisfaction. Now, this approach involves the radical overhaul of the existing processes to eliminate the unnecessary steps, also to reduce the costs, and to enhance the quality, as well as to streamline the operations within an organization. Now, the business process reengineering is also known by various other names, which includes the business process redesign, business transformation, process innovation, as well as process reengineering. Now, when we look at the objectives of BPR, that is business process reengineering, the primary objectives are first to improve in the efficiency. Now, this means that the streamlining as well as the automating the processes to reduce the cycle time, as well as to minimize the resource wastage. Now, the second is the cost reduction, that is to identify as well as to eliminate the redundant activities to lower the operational cost. The next is the enhanced quality, that is to improving the quality of the products, as well as to improve the quality of the services by eliminating the errors as well as the defects in the processes. Now, the next is customer satisfaction, that is aligning the processes with the customer needs as well as their expectations to enhance the satisfaction as well as to enhance their loyalty as well. Now, the next is competitive advantage, that is gaining a competitive edge by the quick responses towards the market changes as well as to the customer demands. And the last is the innovation, that is encouraging the innovative thinking as well as the encouraging the problem solving within the organization. So these are the objectives of the business process